method. Okay. Problems based on substitution method we have learned. So based on the substitution method only, we will find out we know that integrations. Okay. We know the integration of the sin x dx is equals to trigonometric ratios if you are taking into consideration. Integration of sin x dx is equals to Aman minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx is equals to sin x plus c. Integration of tan x we are not having now. So we can prove that tan x integration of tan x. We can prove that integration of the tan x is equals to dx. How do we prove? Using the substitution method. Using that substitution method only we can find out. So integration of tan x dx is equal to integration of sin x by cos x dx. See, if you observe that it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. Yesterday I told you integration of f dash of x by f of x in the previous class. If you observe that, I told you. So let us consider that cos x is equals to t, and the differentiating cos x with respect to x minus sin x dx is equals to dt. So sin x dx we are having here. So sin x dx is equals to minus dt here. So which is equals to, if you convert this one into the form of dt, minus dt by t. So what is you are going to get here? Minus logarithm of modulus of t plus c. So what is t here? Cos x minus log cos x plus c. So ये minus is nothing but logarithm apply कर दिया तो logarithm of cos inverse x. Cos inverse x not, sorry, you are not supposed to write cos inverse x. Cos x का whole inverse है. So cos x का whole inverse is nothing but 1 by cos x. इसका whole inverse आ जाएगा. So do remember that this is completely different. Once again I am reminding you, inverse trigonometric ratios you learned. This is completely different from this one. What is the difference? But these both are same. This identification you need to know. Most of the students don't know. It is what you know. This is secant x, cos x reciprocal. This is inverse trigonometric ratio of the cos function. It is an inverse trigonometric function of the cos, and this is cos inverse x. So do remember that point here. So this is completely different. ये square whenever you are taking, both are same. ये दोनों ये both are equal. These two are not equal. Okay? Did you understand? So here in this case, what you are going to get? Secant x plus c. So integration of tan x dx is equals to logarithm of secant x plus c. Integration of secant x dx is integration of tan x dx is equals to logarithm of sin x plus c. Okay? समझ में आया ये?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, you can find out integration of a cot x dx is equals to integration of cot minus cos x by sin x dx. So sin x is equals to t मान लो, cos x dx is equals to dt हो जाएगा. So directly you are going to get dt by t. So we are going to get logarithm of t plus c. So which is equals to logarithm of sin x plus c. So integration of cot x dx is equals to logarithm of sin x plus c. Logarithm of modulus sin x to be taken into consideration. Okay, in the same way, you can find out logarithm of the secant x dx also. Can anyone know what is the logarithm of secant x dx? Anyone know?
Log sec x plus 10x. Log mod sec x plus 10x.
Yes. So that can be written as for that purpose secant x is there. In the denominator you add and divide secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x you add here and divide. Sorry, multiply and divide, not add. So if you are doing like this, that numerator you are going to get secant square x plus secant x tan x by secant x plus tan x dx. इसका differentiation ये है. Differentiation of this one is, so what you have to do, let secant x plus tan x is equals to t. Secant x plus tan x is equals to t. So differentiating with respect to secant x differentiation क्या है? Sec x tan x. And tan x differentiation क्या है? Secant square x. So dx is equals to d. Okay. So next. So here the numerator whatever you are getting, that you are getting here. Okay, can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
So this can be written as integration of dt by t dt by t. So this is equals to logarithm of mod t plus c. So which is equals to logarithm of modulus secant x plus tan x plus c. In the same way you can find out secant x plus tan x, you have found out logarithm of cosec x also you can find out. Can you say the logarithm of cosec x is equals to, what do you get? Logarithm of cosec x is equals to, what do you get? Logarithm of cosec x minus cot x. Logarithm of cosec x, if you want to find out, in the same way you have to do here, but the thing is that integration of cosec x dx is equals to, see, tan x we found, cot x, secant x and cosec x, sin x and cos x, all the trigonometric functions you are having here now with the help of substitution method only. Okay, so cosec x dx is equals to, how do you do? Cosec x in the numerator multiply the cosec x minus cot x, and in the denominator cosec x minus cot x, isn't it? If you will you get it like this? If you do it, minus आएगा plus आएगा, थोड़ा सोचना है. See, whenever you are thinking this confusion will be there here. Most of the students will have this confusion. That's why I am not writing directly. थोड़ा सोचना है. Plus इसका differentiation mostly ये आना है. इसका differentiation ये आएगा. Cosec x differentiation क्या है? What is the differentiation of the cosec x? Anyone? Differentiation of cosec x I am asking. Differentiation of cosec x.
Minus cosec x. Minus cosec x cot x.
Minus cosec x cot x. Sir, इसका differentiation minus cosec x cot x. And cot x differentiation of the cot x.
Minus cosec square x.
Minus cosec square x.
Square x.
So what do you get here? Will you get the numerator? If you simplify this one, minus cosec x common ले लिए तो plus आ जाएगा. So you are not getting the numerator. So what you have to take? Plus you add and take. See here, like this you have to analyze. So most of the students will not analyze simply. Now if you take that ये इसका differentiation क्या है? अब देखो हमारा, if you are doing anything wrong, you will identify your mistake. You are identifying your mistake. Actually, you said that, what you said? Differentiation of d by dx of the sin x is equals to cos x. ये भी याद नहीं है आप लोगों को अभी. Cos x is equals to minus sin x. D by dx of tan x is equals to secant square x. D by dx of cot x is equals to minus cosec square x. D by dx of secant x is equals to secant x tan x. Is it visible to you? Oh, साइड में जा रहा है.
सर वो बार थोड़ा साइड में चला गया.
Okay.
Cot-
D by
cot x.
of sin x is equals to secant x tan x. Differentiation of the cosec x is equals to minus cosec x cot x. So here, whenever you see such type of the things, you have to remember that. वो याद रखते हैं तो then cosec x आ जाएगा. Suppose you consider it like this, you multiply. If you consider the cosec x plus cot x is equals to t, consider करें. So cosec x differentiation is what? Cosec x differentiation is what?
Minus cosec x cot x.
Yes, minus cosec x
Cot x.
cot x. Minus cosec x cot x. Okay? Next, minus cosec square x dx is equals to d. If you take the minus cosec x common here, then you are going to get here cosec x plus cot x in the numerator. dx is equals to dt. ये माइनस इधर लेके जाओ, माइनस dt हो जाएगा. Now numerator part you are getting, but the thing remember that most of the students will commit the mistake here itself. इधर ही गलत करते हैं. Actually proof थोड़ा याद रखना है, otherwise minus dt by t you are going to get. So minus logarithm of modulus of t plus c आ जाएगा. Whenever you are taking it. Now here what you get here minus logarithm of cosec x plus cot x आ जाएगा. Plus c minus आ जाएगा. And ये minus if you are taking here reciprocal cosec. Is it visible to you? So here I am writing here. Proof करते समय ये question whenever I ask for the proof, most of the students will commit the mistake. Actually, so the answer is logarithm of, you do remember that cosec x plus cot x, 1 by cosec x plus cot x is equals to cosec x minus cot x. Do you know this one? Trigonometry identities, because third exercise is completely depending upon the trigonometric identities only. All the identities you should know. Cosec square x minus cot square x is equals to 1. From that you are going to get 1 by cosec x plus cot x is equals to cosec x minus cot x. So this is 1 here, 1 by cosec x plus cot x. So that can be written as, you are going to get logarithm of cosec x minus cot x plus c. So as you are having the minus, and most of the students will think that while doing the proof, ये proof याद रखेगा नहीं रखेगा, ये secant x वाला तो easy है. And while doing the proof of this one, if I am asking you to prove that integration of cosec x dx is equals to, ये prove करने के लिए बोला है तो, then most of the students will multiply divide by the cosec x minus cot x in the numerator and denominator. Most of the students will do that. So थोड़ा analyze करना है. If you do that minus, what you are going to get? Analyze करना है. Answer में final answer you are going to get cosec x minus cot x. Did you understand this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is all you have to remember. So one by one, I'll ask the questions to you. Please, integration of all the trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions, sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, all you have to remember. So once again, I will revise you. Integration of tan x is equals to logarithm of, who will say? Abhishek. Integration of tan x.
Sec x minus tan x. sec x minus 10x. Log of sec x minus 10x.
Only logarithm of secant x. Just now I told. Do remember this one. Proof thoda yaad rakhna hai. If you try to remember the proof, you can. It is very simple proof. Nothing else. Integration of f dash of x by f of x is dx is equals to logarithm of modulus of f of x. Tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x है. Cos x का differentiation minus sin x आ रहा है. So minus wherever you are getting, इसका reciprocal आ जाएगा. Integration of the tan x. So simple. Integration of cot x dx is equals to integration of cot x equal to glory. Integration of cot x equal to Bipasha. Anyone? Anurag?
Log mod sin x plus c.
Log of modulus in the modulus sin x plus c. So integration of secant x dx is equals to logarithm of in the modulus secant x plus tan x plus c. Integration of cosec x dx is equals to logarithm of modulus cosec x minus cot x. In this is important, very important. Different है. ये थोड़ा different है. Because multiplying, dividing याद रखेगा. Proofs, there is a chance to you ask, prove that this one. But I don't think, only asking is nothing but examination point of view, you are not supposed to learn. Learning subject is very important. अब subject सीखना है. That is very important. To learn the subject, you work out. Okay, so these are the, with this we are going to have the next exercise 7.3 is based on the trigonometric identities. So all the trigonometric identities, trigonometric formulas, whatever you are having, if you know that only, then you will be able to understand the and solve the problems. Okay, let me ask some questions to you before starting that. Sin 2x is equals to how many of you know?
Sir, please repeat.
Sin 2x
Oh.
2 sin x cos x.
2 sin x cos x, and in the form of tan also will be there. According to the situation, you need to change. Trigonometric identities, all the trigonometric identities you need to know very clearly. Okay? Sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x. This can be written as 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay? So cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. Or this can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Or this can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Or in the form of tan, if you want to write 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So this is cos 2. Tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. All the trigonometric identities should be on your tip of the tongue. Otherwise, you cannot do that. Okay? Did you understand? So these are the multiple angles. We can say that multiple angles. Even along apart from this sin 3x is equals to
3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x.
sin cube x. Cos 3x is equals to
4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x.
4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. I think you are laughing. That means you kept your textbook in front of you and saying.
No, sir.
Oh, very good. Okay. Tan 3x is equals to 3 tan x minus
10 cube x.
3 tan x minus tan cube x by Yes. Anyone? Next.
3 10
याद नहीं है? Anyone? Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Tan 3x. Even along with this, you are going to have the multiple angles and some if it is given in the writing in the form of the product. Sum if it is given writing in the form of the product. Product if it is given writing in the form of the sum. This is very important. If the product form, if it is given to you, sin A cos B if it is given, sin A sin B given, or sin C plus D. C plus D I will explain to you. Okay. So these trigonometric identities will be helpful to you in the exercise 7.3. All you have to learn. Sin C plus sin D is equals to. Okay, before going to learn sin C plus sin D, first you tell me that sin A plus B is equals to. Anyone?
sin A cos B plus cos into sin B.
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Very good. And cos A plus sin A plus B is equals to this one. Cos A plus B is equals to. Okay, first sin A minus B there. Next, sin A minus B is equals to minus आ जाएगा. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next, cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B plus into minus हो जाएगा. Minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equals to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tan A plus B is equals to. Anyone? Do you remember? Tan A plus
1 into 10 no.
1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is equals to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Cot A plus B is equals to cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. ये ज्यादा यूज नहीं होता है अभी इंटीग्रेशन में, बट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल दिस. cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A हो जाए. With the help of these four, again still more you are going to get. With the help of the four, ये दोनों को ले लिया तो if you take here sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, all the trigonometry again I am revising you, because trigonometric identities if you don't know you cannot forward it. I told you so many number of times, learn the trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities of sigma. So I am selfish. Why I am selfish? You know, I am writing. I will get practice once. Like this, you should also number of times you should have practice. ये दोनों को ऐड करके तो what do you get? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. These two adding, ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. So you are going to get 2 sin A cos B. This is very much useful to you now here in the exercise problems, the coming exercise problems, because sin A sin cos B given. So you can write 1 by 2 of sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. If it is given in the product form, because if the two products are given to you, product में integration नहीं कर सकते, उसको split करना है, sum form में करना है. Sum form में बोले तो ये sum भी ये sum है. इसका sin of some angle, sin of some expression. You can write the cos in the form of the cos. Okay, so like this sin A plus B is equals to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus. ये दोनों को minus कर रहा हूँ, so ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा, then you are going to get 2 cos A sin B. And if you observe that cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equals to, ये दोनों को ऐड कर लिए तो what do you get? Tell me. From here itself, see, all are interlinked only. Is it visible to you? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's visible.
Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equals to, ये दोनों को ऐड करना है सिर्फ. Just you have to add them. So what do you get? 2 cos A cos B. So actually this can be written as little bit modification. Here, if it is given product form, cos A cos B given here. So you have to write 1 by 2 of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay. So cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. ये ज्यादा लोग गलत करते हैं. ये दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So ये these two can cancel, here minus आ जाएगा. So you will write it as a minus 2 sin A sin B. Minus 2 sin A sin B. Or if you want, you can write like this also. Cos A minus B पहले ले लिया है. Next cos A plus B you take it afterwards. ये दोनों का interchange. Then you will get 2 sin A sin B. With the help of this only, sin C plus sin D you are going to get. Sin C plus sin D is equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay? Did you understand here? Fine. देखो, ये पूरा C है, ये D मान. C plus D क्या हो जाएगा? C plus D by C plus D बोले तो 2A हो जाएगा. C plus D by 2 बोले तो A आ जाएगा. This is only I have written, but in another form. Sin C plus sin D. If sum is given, product में लिखना है, ये यूज करना है. To avoid the confusion, C and D should be taken into consideration. ये और ये दोनों सेम है. C here, इधर C ले लो, इधर D ले लो. ये D है, ये C. So what do you get here? C plus D by 2 बोले तो C बोले तो A plus D plus A minus B by 2. You are going to get 2A by 2. So you are going to get ये आ रहा. So A place में C plus D by 2 लिखना है. B place में the same as C minus D by 2. So can you say that it is the same as sin C minus sin D? Can anyone? Sin C minus sin D. हाँ, यही है. A place में C plus D by 2 लेना है. B place में C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Here cos C plus cos D is nothing but cos C plus cos D is nothing but cos C plus cos D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus cos D is equals to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. और this will be written in another way. ये D इधर लिख के C इधर लिख दे तो माइनस गायब हो जाएगा. Or you can write in another way also. 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2. Because sin of negative angle is equals to sin minus theta equal to minus sin. Trigonometry एक सारा 11th class का है. With the help of this only you are going to do the exercise problems of a exercise next to third exercise. Okay, we'll move to the exercise number 3, the starting problem here. So all if you are having in the mind, you can proceed. Otherwise you cannot proceed. Okay, 1 minute. Exercise 7.3. देखो, based on all these trigonometric identities only. See here, you tell me that how many of you are written. Now I have written all the formulas, all the trigonometric identities, which are you have learned in that. Like this, how many of you have written? How many times? You tell me. Anyone? Suchishmita. Call it time. Not only you, so it takes some more time to you if I ask you one by one. But I request you to write, practice karna hai. Number of times you should have written. Otherwise, you will not remember. If you not remember, then what is the use of proceeding? So everything is interlinked. One is interlinked with the other. So exercise 7.3, देखो. The first problem is given to you. Starting में. Problems are lengthy but easy. Only one way you are going to have. Only conversions will be there. And it looks like a very lengthy. The product of the three functions, three trigonometric functions, if it is given to you, you have to split that. Nothing else. Very simple here. Okay. So sine square 2x plus 5. First question is given to you. Sine square 2x plus 5 integration you have to find out. So sine ka square directly you cannot find out. And you have to write that in the form of not in the square. So you can write here, you do remember that cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So from this sine square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So this we have to use. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Sine square x is equals to. So which is equals to 1 minus cos 2x. X का place में 2x plus 5 by 2 dx. Multiply that 2 inside. Integration of 1 by 2 minus cos 2 multiply करो 4x plus 10 by 2 dx. Separately integrate करो. 1 by 2 of integration of 1 by dx minus 1 by 2 of integration of cos 4x plus 10 dx. And here you can write 1 by 2 of 1 dx is equals to x. And integration of cos x is equals to sin x. Integration of cos x is equals to sin x. But here you are not having x. Again substitution method you can use, but directly a small thing है ना. इसका differentiation क्या है वो denominator में लिखना है. So directly you can write here minus the differentiation or the integration of the cos 4x plus 10 is cos sin 4x plus 10 by 4. But you are having 1 by 2 पहले है. So plus c. So the answer is x by 2 minus sin 4x plus 10 divided by 8 plus c. Did you understand here? ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, second problem is product form में दिया है. So instead of taking the second problem, I am going for the third problem. Second problem is given to you product form, but third में क्या है ना? It is given to you three functions, three trigonometric functions and three product दे दिया. So there what you have to use that. थोड़ा problem lengthy हो सकता है, but I will explain to you this problem. Okay, cos 2x integration of cos 2x, cos 4x and cos 6x dx. Three functions given. Sir, we know the only two functions. Cos 2x को side रखो. And first you think that cos A cos B formula क्या है? 2 cos A cos B. First you know that 2 cos A cos B. Just now I wrote on the board. Any one of you please check. Because product form of the cos you are having. Product form of the cos. Yes, tell me. Tell me. Don't know. Just now I have written. This is the thing here. If you not able to say like this, you are trying but not audible to me. Okay. cos A cos B 2 cos A cos B दोनों cos है cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is equals to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and this 2 if you take here 1 by 2. So now it is in this form. And do remember here, if you take here first you can take the first two functions as second two function. If you take here first two functions, if you take the first two here, you are going to get 6x and 6 square x cos 6x आ जाएगा because दोनों को ऐड करके. You can take in any way. So I am not touching the first one, but I am applying the formula in second two functions. इस दोनों में apply कर रहा हूँ ये formula. So what I will get here, cos 2x, integration of cos 2x into इसमें apply कर रहा हूँ. So 1 by 2 of cos 6x plus 4x 10x. Directly cos 10x plus cos A minus B. Either A you can take this one or that one. You can take in any way. So if you take like this, minus 2x aa jayega. So cos of minus 2x is equals to cos 2x. So to decrease the length of the problem, then I am writing like this dx. And now you cos 2x multiply inside. So 1 by 2 bahar aa jayega. Integration of inside cos 2x into cos 6x. Sorry, cos 10x plus cos 2x into cos 2x. Cos square 2x. Completely trigonometry only will be there here. Integration very less here. But integration करने के लिए what is needed to us, according to that we need to change, because we are not able to do the product like this. Product of the three functions we are not able to do it. So that's why we are using the identities. Identities use करके then we are converting that into the sum. Product को sum form में लेके आया है, and in that sum squares should not be there. Here square आ गया. So again what to do here, cos square है. Cos square can be written as not in the one. So cos squares are 1 minus sin square लिखता हूँ बोलता है some of you. No. Cos 2x formula you do remember. Cos 2x formula ज़्यादा use होता है. ये reverse में use होता है. Cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1 है. 1 minus 2 sin square x है. From this, you can take the cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 आ जाएगा. From this, sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. ये भी याद रखना है. Cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x is equals to in the form of 2x 1 minus cos 2x by 2. This is used in the first problem. Now here we have to use the second one. First one. So what do you write here? And again here you have to apply this one. You have to apply this one again. Cos A plus B form. So 1 by 2 will be outside integration of, and here in the form of the sum we have to write. So 1 by 2 of cos 2x plus 10x 12x. 1 by 2 of half plus cos 8x plus 1 minus cos 2x 2x x place में इधर 2x by 2 dx. So इधर by 2 इधर by 2 there. So completely take out 1 by 4 आ जाएगा. So 1 by 4 integration of cos 12x plus cos 8x plus 1 plus 1 minus cos 4x dx. Now see sum. Now इसका इंटीग्रेशन कर सकते हैं, इसका इंटीग्रेशन कर सकते हैं, इसका इंटीग्रेशन कर सकते हैं. इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? cos x इंटीग्रेशन, but 12x is there, by 2 कर सकते हैं. So we are going to get 1 by 4 of yes sin 12x by 12 plus sin 8x by 8 plus x minus sin minus no one is identifying here. I did a mistake once more. Try to identify it. So what you are doing here, एक small mistake कर रहे हैं मैंने. Anurag,
Yes,
can
sir.
you hear? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, you tell me that where is the mistake here in this. You are not identifying. That means that's why wanted a simple minor mistake I did. Whether will you identify or not? But I am proceeding means also you are not identifying.
Sir, there will be minus sign 8x by
No, integration of cos x क्या है बेटा? Not in this step. Before only.
It will be plus.
So what you are doing? Wanted whether will you identify or not to, but you are not identifying. That's all. Simple है. Problem क्या है? इसमें इंटीग्रेशन से ज्यादा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है. प्रोडक्ट में प्रोडक्ट को you have to convert the product into the form of the sum. प्रोडक्ट को सम फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, समझ में आया? So until and if you not remember the trigonometric identities properly, then you cannot proceed further. Okay, so even the fourth problem, if you take it, fourth is little bit different here. Cube दे दिया है, sin cube. So sin cube दे दिया तो you can write that sin cube in two different ways. You can do this problem. Fourth problem, integration of sin cube x नहीं, sin cube of 2x plus 1. How? Cube can be written as, you do remember, sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. From this sin cube ले लो, sin cube x is equals to, यही problem को मैं two ways में बोलता हूँ. In the two ways, you see that two ways you will get the see like the experiments I told you to that. You have to spend the more time integrations to learn. sin cube x क्या आ जाएगा? ये sin cube x क्या है? ये इधर लेके आओ, उधर लेके आओ. So 3 sin x minus sin 3x divided by 4. देखो ये एक सम फॉर्म में आ गया. क्यूब का इंटीग्रेशन डायरेक्टली वी आर नॉट हैविंग. इंटीग्रेशन क्यूब नहीं है, वी आर नॉट हैविंग. So here you can write like this. Okay. So now can you write like this one? 1/4. ये आइडेंटिटी यूज करो. 1/4 बाहर लिखना है. 3 sin x, 3 sin x का प्लेस में 2x plus 1 minus sin 3x, 3 into 2x plus 1. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो. 1/4 3 सॉरी इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ वन स्टेप इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 3 sin 2x plus 1 minus sin 3 मल्टीप्लाई करो 6x plus 3. सो इंटीग्रेट करो. सो 1/4 इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? 3 sin x इंटीग्रेशन इज minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2 माइनस ये प्लस हो जाएगा cos 6x plus 3 divided by 6 plus 6. समझ में आया? सही है ना? And other way is what is another way? Substitution method. ये आइडेंटिटी यूज कर लिया. The other way is you can use the substitution method also. Sin cube 2x plus 1 dx is equals to integration of this can be written as sin square 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1 dx, and sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square. So 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1 dx. Cos 2x plus 1 is equals to t. Okay. Okay. So differentiation of the cos 2x is equal to 2x plus 1 is equals to minus sin 2x plus 1 into 2 again 2 dx is equals to dt. So we need sin 2x plus 1 dx is equals to minus dt by dA. Either substitute कर, which is equals to integration of 1 minus cos 2x plus 1 t square, 1 minus t square into minus dt by 2. So minus 1 by 2 outside आ गया. So integration of 1 is t. Integration of t square is with respect to t. So integration of t square is t cube by 3 plus c. So what is t? You substitute t. T is equals to cos 2x plus 1 minus cos cube 2x plus 1 divided by 3 plus c. सर दोनों आंसर पूरा गलत है. ये वो पूरा अंतर दिख रहा है. It is not at all similar. Sir, what to do? गलत है. Whether the answer is wrong or right. Previously also I told you one problem to you like this. Both are right.
Like last day also you told you have shown 2 examples.
Yes. See here. What is here you have to change. इसमें क्या करना है पता है? Cos cube you have to write in the form of the. You try to change it. This one it takes some time to you and you have to work out. At least you work out that one. आप try करो. Okay. So what you have to do here? ये you know cos 3x formula. What is cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So ये 3 cos x इधर लेके जाओ. So cos 3x plus 3 cos x divided by 4 is equals to cos cube x. In the place of cos cube x, you write this one and simplify it. You are going to get this. Constant में नहीं है, same आ जाएगा आपको. And here you are having a cos 2x plus 1. उसमें भी आ जाएगा cos 2x plus 1. Change करना. That you have to do it. वो वर्कआउट करना है आप लोग. Substitution method में using identity. Using identity it is easy. Substitution method देखो, both are easy only. If you get, sir, you may get doubt. Sir, if I get this answer and if I leave it here, will it be wrong? No, it's right. And it is not asked to you to. Suppose asking you to find out the integration of this one, and it is not specially mentioned that you need to prove. Suppose if it is asking you to prove this one is equal to this one. ये देके ये प्रूव करने के लिए बोला. Then here after using this method, here you have to replace that. Prove करने के लिए बोला. That's all. Changing one form to other form, another form to other form. If you do like that, then it is an easy task to you to get. समझ में आया? Even you can use any method. It is not mandated that you need to use the only substitution method. It is in this method only you have to do it. So like that you proceed the problems. 5 or 6 you can do it. 7 also product form में है. That also you can do that. And 8th problem if you see that 1 minus cos x दे दिया है. So 8th problem, in the 8th problem it is given that 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x integration. Observe that it is in the what form? Submultiple angles. We call them as the submultiple angles. Submultiple angles में क्या है? सब मल्टीपल इज नथिंग बट यही है, अभी बोला है ना sin square x is equals to cos 2x है 1 minus cos 2x, sorry, what can you do? Yes, like this, cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x or 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is equals to, okay, so now here if you write cos x is equals to, from this you can write sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x by 2, and you can write cos 2x as a 2 sin square x. In the same way, cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. ये 2 इधर ले गया 2 cos square x. Supposing here if I take by 2, here by 2 हो जाएगा, here by 2 हो जाएगा, here by 2. So what do you get here? 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. So 1 minus cos x numerator में है. So that can be written as a 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So 2 will get cancelled, integration of tan square x by 2 dx. So we are not having tan directly, tan square you have to convert into again secant square x. So secant square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Secant square x by 2 dx, इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? tan x by 2 and x by 2 का इंटीग्रेशन 1 by 2. So differentiation denominator में आ जाएगा minus x plus c. So which is nothing but 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. This is the answer. समझ में आया? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like this, we call this as a submultiple angles. Submultiple angles वही है. Multiple angles में थोड़ा सा change करके means by 2 form में लेके आना है. Even ninth problem also in the same way you can do it. Cos x by 1 plus cos x, here it is given to you. Cos x can be written as ninth problem cos x by 1 plus cos x. So this cos x can be written as, ये कैसे कर सकते हैं? Yes, like this you do. Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 by 1 plus cos x दे दिया. So 1 plus cos x can be written as उधर से 2 cos square x by 2. ये दोनों डिवाइड कर लो, 1 आ जाएगा, 1 by 2 आ जाएगा, ये 2 साइड में रखते हैं. इधर tan square x by 2, again tan square x by 2, secant square x by 2 minus 1 लिखो. Same problem, same order. थोड़ा सा चेंज है. Okay, sir, power 4 if it is given to you, what to do? In case of 10th problem, here it is given to you power 4. So that we will see in the next class, because so many still more problems are there. We cannot complete all these problems, and all are important one. Different type of the problems are there. So in the next class, we'll see that. Okay, 12 o'clock again. You join.